Hey, it's about 9:45 on Friday, June 6th. We're at the 1,300 mile point. Just hit New Jersey about an hour ago and looking forward to being out of Pennsylvania. Hopefully the rocks get a little bit more mild. Been a pretty easy stretch so far for the day, but it is getting very hot. For now, see you on trail. Got about a 15 mile-ish day and hoping to get there before the rain starts. See you on trail. Well, we did not survive the rain. Definitely rained really hard for about 20 minutes, and we had just left the Appalachian Trail Center building. Stopped there for some ice cream and french fries, and then had a massive lightning storm. And then I decided that it was a good idea to climb the fire tower. Beautiful views from up here, but it is a little scary after just having lightning. But I believe these things are set up to be struck by lightning. That's at least what I'm telling myself while I'm up here. Got about 5 more miles until the campsite, but for now, just enjoying the view from the fire tower. See you at camp. Good morning. It is June 7th. Just leaving camp. It's about 6:20 right now. Got about a 15-mile walk to Culver's Gap, where I'll be meeting my parents, and they're gonna do some trail magic. The forecast has been so crazy. It's hard to say exactly what it's gonna do. Last night it was supposed to rain all night. It didn't do that. It was supposed to start at 7 and stop at like 2 in the morning. Yeah, it didn't do that. Today was supposed to be nice and sunny, and now it says that it's pretty much going to rain all day, starting at like 10 and go till 5. Which would really be a bummer, because we had already set up this trail magic, or planned for it. So we're just hoping that it doesn't do what it says it's gonna do again, and it stays pretty dry for the most part. If it does rain a little bit, that's fine, but if it's a downpour the entire time that we're set up down there, that's definitely gonna be a bummer. So we're hoping for the best. Right now, rain's holding off, but we'll see how it goes. See you on trail. Hey, it's about 11 o'clock now. I got about a mile and a half till I get to the gap where my parents are supposed to meet me. We are supposed to do trail magic. The forecast has been so on and off about whether or not it's going to rain. For a while it was looking like it was going to pour down rain until about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, which would have made for a pretty miserable trail magic. It did rain for about an hour earlier, probably about 9, and so I was feeling pretty down about the trail magic thing. Was unsure whether or not it was going to happen. Now I'm still not sure, because the rain is supposed to pick back up until 5, but that doesn't happen until about 1 o'clock. So who knows? It's been so hit or miss. I can't keep track of it. For now, just gonna head down to the gap, My parents will meet me there, and then we'll make the choice whether or not we'll set up Trail Magic when we get down there. For now, got about 1.5 miles left. I'll see you in about half an hour or so. Hey, it's almost 6 o'clock now, about 5:45. Just left my parents' Trail Magic, so we did indeed end up setting up. As you can see, there ended up being blue skies. This weather today was completely unpredictable, and I'm assuming for the next few days it'll continue to be that way. It was really nice seeing my parents, seeing my dog, sitting and visiting with some hikers, some of which we knew, some of which we'd just met. Heading my way back uphill now, clearly. But yeah, I often say that this is one of the nicest things that I've ever done for myself, walking the Appalachian Trail. But I know for a fact that getting my dog was the nicest thing I've ever done for myself. She's the best. Definitely the hardest part about walking this trail is leaving her behind. But she's in good hands, and I only got 2 months left. Gotta keep on keeping on. As for now, got about 3 miles till the shelter. It's a little swampy out here, so I'm sweating again. But back to being on trail. Thankfully, there's no rain currently. See you at the shelter. It is Sunday, June 8th. Officially 3 months of living in the woods. Just leaving the shelter right now. It's already about 8 o'clock, so I'm getting a pretty late start. And got about an 18-mile day today to the secret shelter. Not sure why it's called the secret shelter. I think it is just a regular shelter. But because I'm leaving so late, I'm expecting to be the last one to the shelter, which is no big deal. Just gonna take my time. I'll make it there when I make it there. Should be good weather today. Chance of rain, I believe, is pretty low. At least it was yesterday, but it seems to be changing pretty constantly. But we'll take it when we get it, no matter what it is. And for now, I'll see you on trail. New Jersey has been full of these little bogs and swamps, and it makes the mosquitoes absolutely unbearable. Been getting picked alive by these bugs. I'll be excited to get away from things like that. Yo, yo.
So Broadway, when we 220 feet of elevation, that's what we're doing. That's casual. Don't bother me. And then we do 1,000, so it's like
Standing at the high point of New Jersey at High Point State Park. Beautiful view. Just sat at Trail Magic for about 3 hours, had some lunch, and it's about almost 4 o'clock now. 3:50. Got about 6 more miles to the shelter, hang out there, and go to bed. Tomorrow is the Warwick Drive-In, so we're gonna go to a drive-in movie theater, pitch a tent, and watch a movie. So that's super exciting. But for now, I will see you on trail. Hey, good morning. It's about 6 in the morning on Monday, June 9th. Making my way out of the shelter. Not the shelter that I planned on hitting. Everyone else went to the secret shelter, which is about 5 miles north of here. I looked at the radar and saw a bunch of rain, so I wussed out and just went to the shelter right next to where I was at the time. So I just walked a 0.5 to this shelter and made it before the rain. Unfortunately for everybody else, I think they had to walk at least a mile or two through the rain before they got to the shelter. So in that way I lucked out, but I do kind of feel bad for ditching everybody. Got about a 24, almost 25 mile day now if I want to catch up with those guys. So I'm just gonna feel it out. If my ankle does not want to do that, then I probably won't do that. Which is a bummer, because tonight is the Warwick Drive-In. But it is what it is. If I don't make it there, I don't make it there. Just gotta do what's the best for me, I suppose. As for now, weather is too cloudy to tell what's gonna happen right now, but it does look like rain is possible. So, making my preparations, got the rain pants on, trying to not to get my waterproof shoes wet. But for now, just gonna start moving and see where I end up. See you guys on trail. Got another hiker on trail. We got another little hiker on trail here. That's so funny. Another big ass snapping turtle. Hey, it's almost 1 o'clock now. Clearly the bugs are just absolutely terrible. New Jersey in general has been really bad. Between the never-ending mud, the rain, and the bugs, New Jersey is not much fun. If I saw a day hiker out here, I think I would yell at them. What are you doing? I don't want to be out here. Why the hell are you doing this for fun? But I don't know about a lunch today. I'm very low on food. The Warwick Drive-In is a possibility still tonight, but we shall see. Keeping an eye on the weather. It looks like it's going to avoid us tonight, but I just can never tell with this weather on the East Coast. So, making my way. Got about 9 more miles until the Gap, maybe a little bit more than that. So I'll probably be there around 4, hopefully. But yeah, I mean, New Jersey is just not much fun. Not a whole lot of fun at all. That's okay. Keep on keeping on. I'll see you on trail. Good morning. It is Tuesday, June 10th. Just got back on trail after the Warwick Drive-In. It was a really cool experience to just sit and watch a drive-in movie theater. Watched Lilo and Stitch, and then caught a little bit of Final Destination, and another horror movie called Dangerous Animals. Both the horror movies pretty cheesy as always. Lilo and Stitch was just a remake of the cartoon version that came out when I was a kid. But it was a really cool experience to just camp on the hill and watch movies. Back on trail now. It's a little late in the day. It's about 10 o'clock by the time we got on trail. But luckily we only have 10 miles to do. And because everything has been soaked for the last few days, we're going to stay in a hotel tonight and dry out, do laundry, get a well-needed shower, all those good things. It rained again yesterday, pretty much all day, and again this morning. So, it makes a nice wet morning to hike in. But again, luckily we only have 10 more miles to go, so it should make for a pretty easy day besides being wet. I'll see you on trail. Hold on. Good morning. It is Wednesday, June 11th. Standing at the first summit in New York. The first view that we've seen. Beautiful view with the clouds floating through the valley. Got about maybe 40 or so miles left in this 100-mile stretch, and then we'll be in Connecticut, which is super exciting for Moose. That's his home state. Should be beautiful weather today. No more rain. crossing our fingers for the next 4 days, no more rain. But for now, we'll see you on trail. Hey, it's about 11:30 now. Just took a lunch back there. Had some pretty steep climbs today. Doing more elevation today in a single day than we've done in a long time. It'll be about 4,000 feet total of elevation, which we haven't done probably since, oh gosh, Virginia at least, maybe early Virginia. Probably around the Priest and Three Ridges area. So we're getting back into the mountains and we're enjoying the nice beautiful weather, no rain. Luckily we've had some dry rocks to walk on. Yesterday was pretty sketchy with how wet everything still was. So I'm just glad that we have some dry rocks to walk down. Got about 8 more miles to the first shelter. Might go a couple miles past that to the next shelter, but we'll see. For now, just enjoying the nice, beautiful weather. Finally, no rain. Really feels like a magical moment with no rain. Yeah, for now, we'll see you on trail. It's a little tighter than it looks. Am I going to be able to make this through? Boy, struggle.
Oh! Yay!
I don't know if that was how it's supposed to be done, but... It's about 4:15 now. Been hiking all day. Started about 7 o'clock this morning. Only did about 16 miles, but took all day to do it. It's been a really nice day. Walking with the soft hands crew all day. We've been just taking our time, enjoying the nice weather finally. We've got one more big climb to do until we hit our shelter. We've got about 2 miles till then. But yeah, finally enjoying some nice weather. Just got our lemon squeezed back there and swam in the, I forget what the name of it was, but swam in the lake. And what else? I think that's it. Again, just enjoying no rain. Kind of seems like a miracle today, but it should be the same way tomorrow and even the same way on Thursday. So looking forward to it, but I'll see you at the shelter.
And I have my clothes on it, drying.
Just doing my cooking at the shelter. Found some reishi mushrooms earlier. Solid. Good morning. It's Thursday, June 12th. Making my way out of the shelter. The last 2 miles before the shelter, it's just an amazing section. After going swimming in that lake, just turned into a beautiful section of walking. Remind me similar to like the Rhone Highlands, but with trees. Definitely an underrated section on the Appalachian Trail in New York. Should be another beautiful day of weather today. Should be no rain. Making my way down, I have about a mile to another lake where everybody's gonna meet up and eat breakfast. There's bathrooms and running water and vending machines that take cards, so that's all super nice. Yeah, just looking forward to another beautiful day of good weather on the Appalachian Trail. I'll call it there. See you guys on trail. Hey, so I totally forgot that this was going to happen this morning, but I am officially at the $1,400 mile mark. Pretty cool. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning now. So in the last 100 miles, we walked through New Jersey. It was rainy and buggy, and then made our way into New York, where we're at now. It's been a beautiful walk the last 100 miles. Besides the rain, besides the bugs, can't complain at all. It's been a nice rocky ridge walk, but yeah, can't complain at all. It's been a beautiful 100 miles. On to the next one. See you at 1,500.